If you've been scrolling through social media recently, you may have seen ads for the Qinux Aquoxis pressure water jet. The product is being promoted as a powerful cleaning tool that can supposedly turn any regular garden hose into a high-pressure water jet. According to the advertisements, it uses something called hydropower technology to boost water pressure and blast away dirt, mud, and stains from surfaces like cars, patios, driveways, and outdoor furniture. The company also claims that it easily connects to any standard hose and provides strong cleaning power without using electricity. With promises of powerful dirt removal and simple installation, it's easy to see why many people might find this gadget appealing. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about some important things people should know before buying products like this. Many online ads promote high-pressure hose attachments as revolutionary tools that can replace expensive pressure washers. The marketing often shows dramatic demonstrations where thick dirt and grime disappear instantly with just a spray of water. While these demonstrations look impressive, the claims behind them deserve a closer look. One major concern is the claim that the product can increase water pressure up to 15 times without electricity. In reality, household water systems usually provide water pressure somewhere between 40 and 60 psi. A simple hose attachment or metal nozzle cannot magically multiply that pressure without the help of a motorized pump. At most, a nozzle can change the shape of the water stream or concentrate it into a thinner spray, but it cannot actually create new pressure. Another thing to watch out for is the use of vague terms like hydropower technology. While it sounds advanced, many advertisements do not clearly explain how this technology actually works. In many cases, these types of phrases are simply marketing buzzwords used to make a basic product sound more innovative than it really is. There are also reports that similar hose attachments have been sold under different brand names across the internet. Products that look almost identical have appeared under names like Jet Flux Pressure Washer, Water Blitz, and other rebranded versions. This suggests that the item may simply be a generic hose attachment that is being marketed in different ways depending on the website. Customer feedback for similar products often includes complaints about weak cleaning performance, low product quality, slow shipping, or orders that take a long time to arrive. Some buyers have also reported difficulties contacting customer support when they try to request refunds or assistance. Another red flag is the type of marketing used in many of these ads. They often feature flashy demonstration videos, huge discounts, and limited stock warnings that create pressure to buy quickly. In some cases, the before and after cleaning videos appear to be stock footage or clips reused across multiple unrelated websites. It's also worth mentioning that similar hose attachments can sometimes be found on wholesale marketplaces for very low prices, yet they're sold online with branded names for much higher prices. This difference in pricing raises questions about the true value of the product. To be fair, the device may still work as a simple hose nozzle that helps direct water more precisely while cleaning. However, it's unlikely to replace a real pressure washer that uses an electric or gas-powered pump to generate strong water pressure. So if you're thinking about buying the Qinux Aquoxis pressure water jet, it's a good idea to take some time to research first. Look for independent reviews, check customer experiences, and be cautious of products that promise unrealistic results. Buying tools like this from trusted retailers with clear return policies and verified reviews is usually the safer option. The purpose of videos like this is simply to help people stay informed and avoid potential disappointment. Whenever a product promises extremely powerful results with very simple technology, it's always worth taking a closer look before making a purchase.